Minister of Local Government and Regional Development, Honorable Nigel Darmlal, has set the ball rolling with a message of citizen-focused work as the new PPPC administration works assiduously to bring communities closer to the government. Since being declared after winning the March 2 general and regional elections, the PPPC government continues to emphasize a bottom-up approach to governance and management, one that empowers the citizens. In keeping with this approach, Minister of Local Government and Regional Development, Honorable Nigel Darmlal, explained that the focus of the PPPC government is the people it has been elected to serve.
We believe that this can only be done by stronger collaboration, by working closer together, by listening to our citizens, and I think most importantly, reacting positively to the issues, to the concerns, the observations, and even the complaints that our citizens make on behalf of their families, on behalf of their communities, and on behalf of the national collective.
The Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development will also take steps towards enhancing the skill set of citizens at the local level, a practice which promotes greater efficiency in governance.
As you're aware, local government and regional development play a critical role in enhancing people's lives. The ministry straddles 10 regions, and it is our intention that every single person, irrespective of where they live in this country, they will get the support, they will get the service of the Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development.
In tune with the enhancement of government services and ease of access for citizens, the minister birthed the idea of creating and facilitating an information system through regional democratic councils, municipalities, and neighborhood democratic councils.
It is our intention from the get-go that we will establish in every single part of this structure an information system that provides feedback, an information system that is almost immediately responsive to the needs and concerns of our citizens and our residents. And it is our expectation that every RDC will now have an issue log register. Every NDC will have an issue log register. Every municipality, including the City of Georgetown, will have an issue log register.
Reminding that the PPPC government was the first to ever actually hold a local government election back in 1994, Minister Darmlal gave all assurances that President Dr. Mohamed Irfan Ali has every intention of upholding that constitutional provision.
We will also be providing greater empowerment support to local communities, which will allow them to manage their affairs. And it is also the mandate of President Irfan Ali that local government elections will continue.
The PPPC administration is ready to further Guyana's development. It believes in people-based investment that will provide greater opportunities for all.
We believe that safe and secure communities are imperative to a wholesome life and are important also to national well-being.
The Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development intends to vigorously strengthen those local organs to ensure that they become more efficient and effective in their delivery of services to the people. Some of the immediate plans to bolster community-led development include an increase in the subventions provided for NDCs and the municipalities.
They require substantial financial support, and with the intervention of the government, we will be increasing the subvention currently provided. We will also be supporting our local government bodies to manage resources and to take on greater responsibility where the infrastructure of our communities are concerned.
Minister Darmlal further spoke of the plans to remedy the damaged infrastructure across Guyana.
I think one of the things that we have noticed across this country is the deterioration of our infrastructure, the dilapidated state of the infrastructure in our country. And we would like our local bodies to begin as part of their enhancing the lives of our citizens, to begin to take control and management of our infrastructure.
The RDCs will take a more active role in supporting the work of other ministries and sectors.
The Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development, through the RDCs, have many programs in agriculture, in health, in education, in public works. So those are things that we will pursue with our sister ministries through different departments of the regional democratic councils. We will also have to vigorously pursue strengthening the planning and budgeting systems of our local organs. Remember, local organs are comprised of individuals like you and I, who are elected, sometimes even without their wanting to do so, but they do it because the residents would like them to do so. And we have to provide support in those areas so that they can become transparent and they can become more accountable to the citizens that they serve.
The Local Government and Regional Development Ministry, however, is not without its challenges. Minister Dharmlal revealed that while citizens have great expectations for the newly appointed cabinet, there will be many challenges that will have to be addressed speedily to ensure that much-needed works can be prioritized. The minister was sworn in and officially took up his duties on August 5, 2020. He wasted no time in getting work done, as a situational analysis of the ministry was conducted not long after.
We found that in the Minister's Secretariat, in the Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development, there were 23 staff who were earning as much in total per month, $7.730 million per month, 23 staff. And who were those staff? Those staff happen to be elements which we believe were part of the political machinery at that time of the government. And from our records in the Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development, we have been unable to verify and to validate the performance of these staff because there is no record of their work, there is no documentation of their work, and since we took office, there has been no presence of their person in the Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development.
More situation analyses continue to be conducted to ascertain the nature of the ministry's operations.
That is supposed to work out to about $160 million per year on average. You multiply that by 5 years, because these are people still on the payroll. By 5 years, that is over $800 million that these 56 persons have earned on the backs of taxpayers without evidence of their effort.
Going forward, the ministry will be working every day in the best interest of all Guyana.
The Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development will ensure that as we move forward, that everyone who works for that ministry and in support of that ministry will exude the greatest of professionalism, the greatest of competence, and the greatest of respect in the conduct of our duties. That is the minimum with which we will work, and that is the minimum standard that our President, His Excellency Dr. Irfan Ali, has set for all of us.